Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a rewards program with Swagbucks, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin building a rewards program with Swagbucks, start by creating an account on the Swagbucks website. Visit swagbucks.com and click on the join button. Fill out the registration form with your email address and a secure password. Once you have completed the registration, check your email for a confirmation link. Click on the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your Swagbucks account using your newly created credentials. Next, familiarize yourself with the Swagbucks dashboard. Take note of the different ways to earn points, also known as SB. You can earn SB by taking surveys, watching videos, shopping online, and playing games. Choose the methods that you find most appealing and start participating. Create a rewards goal for your program. Decide whether you want to focus on cash, gift cards, or other rewards. Set a realistic target for the number of SB you wish to earn within a specific time frame. Once you have a goal, start tracking your progress. Make a spreadsheet or use a journal to document how many SB you earn each day. Regularly check your progress against your set goals. Consider incorporating social elements into your rewards program. Invite friends to join Swagbucks using your referral link. You can earn additional SB for each friend who signs up and meets specific activity requirements. Engage with your network through social media to share tips and tricks about earning SB. Stay active on the Swagbucks platform. Consistently participate in various earning activities to maximize your points. Monitor promotional events and special offers that may provide bonus SB. Visit the rewards section of the Swagbucks site to browse available options. Select the rewards you want and follow the prompts to redeem your SB. Consider adjusting your strategies based on your experiences. If certain methods aren't yielding enough points, explore other options available on the platform. Stay informed about changes in Swagbucks policies or new earning methods. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.